Right. Okay, so first things first, I tightened up the this bar on the printer. I moved it that way about a millimetre and a half or so. Well, basically, I loosened this nut, tightened up these nuts underneath, moved the bar that way, take up any slop. It's definitely taking the slop up because they're in the middle right now, and when I try to twist it like that, it doesn't move anymore. So I got rid of the slop problem, but when I printed out the square, which is basically this thing, this tiny little square, right, when I measure between this end of the square and this end of the square, right, it's longer on the left side of the bed than it is on the right side of the bed. So on the right side of the bed, it measures exactly 150 millimeters from this point here to this point up here. It's got nothing to do with bed leveling, by the way, because I mean, I've printed this thicker thing, this much thicker thing, right, and this is obviously got the same problems. This is one of my magnet holders, and well, this is slightly oval, egg-shaped, whatever. So on this side, it measures 151 millimeters between this end and the top. It's got nothing to do with squareness, because if squareness, it basically is that or that, right? Squareness is that or that. It's nothing to do with that. It's the distance between this end and that end, and that end and that end. It could be at an angle like that, right? But it should still be the same length, but it's not. So I know that something needs to be set in the firmware settings, but I don't know what needs to be adjusted, because it's not the X steps per millimeter or the Y steps per millimeter, because that's for both the left and the right. So X is basically on the full length or the full width, right? Or Y is the full height, whatever. But anyway, regardless of whether or not I got that back to front, but the point is, it needs to be offset. There needs to be an offset between this side of the square, right, and this side. But I don't know what the setting is. I've looked in my configuration H file. Hang on a minute. Okay, right. I've got the file open, and under right, we'll go past that. Under maximum, where is it? What X? Where is it? X-axis steps per millimeter. There. Under X-axis steps per millimeter, it's and Y-axis steps. Oh, that's the wrong one I'm looking at. Where is it? It's down here somewhere. There's a set. Oh, I can't see it. Just a minute. Right, where are we? Right, okay. The X-axis steps per millimeter is 105.4929, and the Y is also set 105.4929. That's calibrated. They're both exactly the same settings. That's where are we? There. X-axis steps per millimeter, right? And Y-axis steps per millimeter, right? They're both exactly the same, okay? But what do I change to get rid of that offset difference between the left side of the bed and the right side of the bed? That is what I'm trying to find out. I don't know. I mean, having Pontiface is not going to help me if I don't know what to change. And why do I need to change it? I mean, why do I need Pontiface if I can change it in this text file and upload it? That's all I need to do. I just need to find out where it is in the file, in the Peruse the configuration file. Anyway, that's it for now.